I guess first of all, many people don't understand there's so much numeracy and literacy involved with painting and decorating. One of the key things in relation to numeracy, especially with the young people we teach here, is measuring and measurement in itself, and explain the difference between measuring area and measuring perimeter. For some people, for area, they need to know area because if they're painting a wall or a ceiling, they need to know how much paint they're going to be using. For perimeter, in relation to things like for decorating that, where they're putting borders up along the wall, around the wall. And we have to teach them the different ways of how to get area on a wall by measuring the length and measuring the breadth. And of course that brings in, you're bringing multiplication, because you have to multiply the length by the breadth in order to get the area of a surface. For the perimeter, they need to add. It's all about adding, because you're adding all the widths and the lengths of the room. So if you think of, I often tell them, think of putting skirting. When they're talking about perimeter of a room, think of the skirting going around the room. And that helps them to remember that there is a difference between area and perimeter, and not to get them mixed up. Calculating with paint, they need to have the full understanding of area to understand how much paint they need to use to go on a wall. One of the tasks I would get the young people to do is to estimate what they think, first of all, how much paint they think would need to, say, paint a wall or paint the room. And when they've all come up and written down what they feel that is, I would then get them to do the actual task to show them how to actually figure out exactly what they need. With that, we also then introduce the percentage. Okay, and you wouldn't imagine percentages that has anything to do with painting and decorating. But with the painting and decorating, we always ask them to, allow 10% of the paint that they're calculating, and that helps to allow for spillages, okay, or for underpainting or for overpainting. That will always have a little bit left over.